This is a 30 milligram vial. Most people get a 10. And so for 10, that's enough. That's all you need to do. So if you think about it, if you take 10 milligrams into 100 units, each of these 10 units, 10, 20, 30, 40, is 1 milligram. So if you want to do 2 milligrams of your 10 milligrams per week, then you'll have week 1, you will use 20 units. Week 2, 20 units, etc. So that should last you 5 weeks because you did the entire vial, put it in there, and now you'll have anywhere from 10 to 30 units or 1 to 3 milligrams per week. So a 10 milligram vial should last you about a month, about 4 to 5 weeks. If you're doing 2.5 milligrams a week, then that'll last you 4 weeks. So you want to be sure that you have everything that you need to clean everything properly, sterilize it, and do the reconstitution. Once you get ready to actually inject, 10, 15 minutes from now, 30 minutes from now, you'll want to open another swab. You will want to find a little area of belly fat, not too close to the belly, and inject it there. You can also inject it other places, but that's probably, that's one of the best places to inject. You get all of this cleaned up. Make sure you dispose of your needles properly, and you will be able, and you can use the same needle. Some people don't want to use the same needle that they use to reconstitute, but you can open a new needle, dispose of everything, and then that's pretty much it. Store it in the fridge. You should be good to go. I highly recommend getting some before pictures, front, side, back. I also am going to link the Renpho Smart Body Scale. It measures 13 other areas of health. So when I started, my visceral fat was a 13. It's now a 10. It measures your BMI, body fat, visceral fat, obviously your weight, your muscle mass, protein, a lot of other holistic factors that I highly recommend looking into so that you can get a real view of the health of your health, not just, oh my God, I lost 10, 15, 20 pounds. I can see how much my total body fat has decreased. All these other metrics to show how this is helping my health. I also have a Facebook group, beyond GLPs and peptides, but just overall weight loss and wellness. There's a lot of other peptides. I take BPC 157 for recovery, muscles, helps with your gut, TB 500. There's a lot of other things that you can have to help with your overall wellness, even if you're not looking to lose weight. So join the community, get support. We have checklists in there. We'll have wins. We will have all types of things to help support you on this journey. Make sure you're drinking a gallon of water or as close to it a day. It's really important to get your water in. And of course, we highly recommend moving your body. If it's walking, weights are even better. But yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you reconstitute your peptide.